In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook dating location mismatch. So the very first thing you want to do here is just go ahead and open up your Facebook app and go to the three bar icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you just want to scroll down until you see this section here that says help and support. Make sure to expand that section and just click on the just click on the report a problem here. So make sure that the shake to report a problem is turned off so that you could manually report or say the issue that you're encountering. Just click on report a problem. Here, just click on include in report and just look for the either for dating, but if you can see dating here, you could choose any related uh, category here that you could use. For example, we'll be using our profile. So you could just say currently having issues in dating location mismatch, and you could just upload a photo that is related to your issue and just proceed by clicking on the arrow at the top right corner of the screen. So that's how you report a problem for the dating location mismatch for Facebook. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.